Hi guys, I'm back with another cast iron video, and today I'll be making chicken under a brick. I'll show you how easy it is to get nice crunchy skin like this and a nice juicy breast. We're going to start with the 4-pound organic chicken. What we want to do is find the breastbone and slice on both sides of it to separate it, then just run our knife along the rib cage until we get down to the bottom of the wing bone. Now we just need to find the joint for the wing bone. It should pop right through pretty easily as long as you hit the joint. And then once I get to the other side, I'm going to run into a little bit of trouble here, but that's okay. And just kind of wiggle it around until you find the joint. You can always pop it back a little bit to separate it out, and then just slide your knife right through and it should come right off. Now you just want to flip your chicken over, take your knife, run it along the backbone. There's a nice little tender piece of dark meat called the oyster. Just make sure you get that off too. Bend the joint back and then you should be able to slide the chicken right off. Now we just need to repeat on the other side. Make sure we get that oyster off, bend the bone back, and it should come right off. And there's the other half of the chicken. The best part about buying a whole chicken and breaking it down at home is that it's cheaper, you can control how it's portioned, and you can use the carcasses for stocks. Now we just need to debone the chicken. We can start by taking off the tenderloin and save those for later. Then we want to take the wing off. You want to flip the chicken over. Should be able to find the joint and slide right through that. And now we just need to French the wing. This is essentially taking all the meat off the bone. Run your knife around the bone, pull it off, flip it over, find the joint, and then take your knife, cut right through it. Should give you a nice clean cut. Flip it over. Now we just need to take the leg bone out. And it looks kind of like a V, so you want to run your knife down one side and then go down the other. If there's a little bit of skin attached, just cut that off. And then you should be able to just take your fingers and stick it right underneath the bone, and it should pop right off. Then do that on both sides, and the last thing we need to do is get the rest of the bone out. And the best way I've found is to just lift it up and run your knife along the joint, and it should fall right off. Make sure you save the bone for stock, and then we want to check the thigh to see if there's any hard pieces in there, whether it be cartilage or bone. If there are, just cut them out, and then your chicken's ready to go. Season with salt and pepper, and then flip it over. I like to pat it dry to take off all the moisture on the skin side. That'll help give us a nice crispy skin. In a cast iron over medium heat, add some olive oil, and then we're going to put our chicken skin side down. I like to move it around a little bit to make sure that the oil is all the way underneath the chicken. And then we're going to put our brick on top and cook it about 2/3 of the way on this side. I check the chicken a couple times throughout the cooking process just to make sure that it's not burning. If it starts to get a little dark, just turn the heat down. It'll stay nice and crispy and you won't have to worry. Flip the chicken over and we get to see the nice golden crispy skin. I add some butter to the pan to finish cooking the chicken. This is going to help keep the chicken breast nice and juicy. Listen to that sizzle. Hit the like button if you like nice crispy skin chicken. Flip the chicken to cook the skin in the butter to make sure that it's nice and crispy. Add a few cloves of garlic and some thyme to add some extra flavor to the butter. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.